Do you want to learn how to create a website with Hostinger Horizons? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first of all, you can create any type of web app using Hostinger Horizons, and it's currently in early access. They also have got Hostinger AI Website Builder, which I've got a tutorial on it. It will be available on the playlist at the end of this video. I've got more tutorials on Hostinger and Hostinger Horizons as well, so you can check it out there. Now, inside it, what you can do is you can use ChatGPT to ask for a prompt to create a landing page or a website. And this is going to make a website, and it's completely different from the AI website builder. So what we're going to do is I'm going to select this one on the bottom right, which says modern landing page. So we're going to click on it, and it's going to make a web app out of just a simple prompt. It's going to start building it. And on the right hand side, you can see the website is now built, and we can scroll down to check out the website. And if you want to make something inside it or change the colors, you can just command the AI to do it. And each time you message it and go back and forth with the AI, is going to take in 1 credit each time. So this is how you can make a website inside Hostinger Horizons. And let's say we want to go to features page. There's no features page. So I'm just going to ask it, make something like this, make a features page, and let us go to that page when we click on that features tab on the menu bar, this one. Let's see what it does. Now it's going to say that I've created a dedicated features page and add functionality, navigation functionality. Okay, let's check it out. So like you see, I've got the white screen, and this takes in a lot of time to build the website with this web app builder. What I would recommend is going for the AI website builder or WordPress inside Hostinger. That's much better than going back and forth with this AI, because you've got like monthly messages. That's 43. And I've been using this app since morning, and I'm at 42 messages. So I have to wait till next month if I exhaust it in a few days. Or you need to go to a higher plan. So that's also there. And this doesn't mean that if you buy one of these plans, you're going to get the hosting with it all the time. It's not going to happen. What you're going to get is hosting for 1 month. And after that, you need to pay for that hosting as well, on top of your plan that you're paying for the Hostinger Horizons. So if I go over to Hostinger and I go to Hostinger Horizons, I check out these plans over here. We've got the 19.99 per month. This is starter plan with 100 messages. This is what I've got. But it says that hosting is included, but it's 1 month free. So after this, it's going to automatically renew at 13.99 per month. So you need to get that Hostinger hosting plan, this web hosting plan, the business plan of it. You need to get that. And with it, you'll be able to use it. But then this is 19.99 plus you're also going to pay 13.99 on top of this. So you need to keep that in mind. Now over here, we've got the website ready, I think. Let's check it out. So we can go scroll down like that. But what we have done is added the features tab. So let's click on it. Okay, that works. That's nice. And I can scroll down. We've got the features page, and we can go back to our main page. Okay, nice. I've not got the functionality for about and contact page, but I'm sure you can add it. You just need to give it the command on AI, and it's going to make those pages as well. But because this is an AI web app builder, you can also ask it to make a dashboard and connect it with Supabase, etc., which I've got a tutorial on. At the end of this video, there will be a playlist on the right hand side. You can go through that and check out my other tutorials on Hostinger Horizons and Hostinger AI website builder, etc. And that's it. After you have made the website, made changes to it, etc., you can go on the top right, click on deploy, and then you can view your website, and you can share that link with someone else so they can also view that website. And over here, you can change your domain in the Edge panel, and you can edit your web app by going to websites list and edit the web app. You can also add a new website, and then you can choose this Hostinger website builder or Hostinger Horizons over here. And that's it. This is how to create a website with Hostinger Horizons. If you found this video helpful, let me know with a like and comment. If you have any questions, let me know as well. I'm going to help solve that problem. And on the right hand side, you'll find my other tutorials. Check it out. And if you buy any of these paid plans on Hostinger or buy a domain through my link in the description, it's going to help me out as well. So see you there in other tutorials. Bye for now.